Twippo 3-to-1 Adhesive Heat Shrink Kit. Positive number 1, polyethylene with a 3-to-1 shrink ratio. Hey, that's the real deal for irregular gauge wire bundles because it collapses to 1/3 of its diameter instead of the usual half. The adhesive lining, it's thermally activated, meaning it melts into a waterproof seal at the shrink temperature. Same cross-linked polymer chemistry used in marine wiring. Yeah, it's perfect for anything running through a wheel well or under a chassis, where the Michigan road salt treats bare copper like, a buffet. 9 sizes in one kit, 354 pieces. So you're not buying 6 different Amazon listings to wire one project. The size spread means you can step down from battery cable gauge all the way to 18 gauge speaker wire without switching boxes. It actually covers everything from engine bay thick to, why is this wire even here? Speaking of things that come in way too many sizes, my youngest needed new cleats last week. She's grown into a different shoe size 3 times this calendar year. I'm convinced she's not my daughter. She's a clinical trial for a growth hormone I haven't been informed about. The adhesive lining is the whole reason you buy this over the cheap stuff. When that thermal sealant flows, it fills gaps around the uneven splices, which I'm making uneven splices, and it locks out moisture at the molecular level. No supplemental liquid tape, no electrical grease, I hope this holds. For automotive wire that lives in vibration and temperature swings, that bond is the difference between a sealed connection and a warranty claim. Negatives? I always find you 2. One reviewer says that his batch had no adhesive lining at all. Just plain tubing in an adhesive lined box. That's QC roulette situation, but only one. And it's not a design flaw. That's what's great about Amazon. Return it, get another one. Or should at least heat test one before you commit to the full harness. I test everything twice because Rex once chewed through a freshly soldered ground wire. I've had trust issues with completed circuits ever since. Negative number 2, coming in close on this one. The storage latch case snapped on open for at least one buyer, which tracks these kit cases are always injected molded with structural integrity of a gas station sushi container. Honestly, every piece of heat shrink I own ends up in a single freezer bag anyways, so the case is just a, temporary audition. It was always going to fail.